guess I'm kind of on this Grant Cardone kick right now, but I mean, I've just been going down memory lane because this book that I read of his called The Closer's Survival Guide. And actually, it's not even a book. Here's a little picture of the Audible. It was a book. They took it out of print, and then it's only on Audible, and I don't even know if it's even on Audible. So I had to work through this on Audible, and he narrates it, and it's pretty brilliant. But he goes through all these closing techniques, like over 100, maybe 150 closing techniques, which got me thinking, kind of like back in the day when I first started with sales, I wasn't very good. But then I learned the process and went through it and studied from all different sorts of people and gurus in it. And I definitely went through Grant stuff, and this closing guide with 150 different closes really got me to develop a system and a sales script where I wouldn't have to close people, because a lot of the closing, it's when you're done with the sales presentation and then you have to come up with all these objection handling. And I didn't want to have to go through all the objection handling. And by going through this book and learning all these closes, it's like, you know what? How about if during the consultation, I actually include a lot of the questions that will spur people to get rid of the objection altogether? Like, let me think about it. I have to talk to my spouse. I can't really afford it right now. And just all the different excuses and objections that you hear. And I was like, well, now when I develop scripts for my clients and at the call center and the appointment setting service and for our sales team, I try to add in as many questions in there that are going to eliminate the need for closing. And I really owe it all to this book, The Ultimate Guide to the Closer Survival Guide. That's called The Closer Survival Guide by Grant Cardone, because it was... he just goes through all the different techniques of closing people. And if you reverse that around and you close throughout your entire presentation, well, they'll never have to close somebody. They ultimately just buy from you. And that's really, very powerful. So I thought I'd just share that with you. If you want to check out that Audible, let me know if that Audible is still around or not. But I know the print isn't anymore, but it's pretty cool to check out. All right, until next time, you have a great day.